When ransomware hits an organization, attackers don't just target your production environment, they also target your backups. Because if they can destroy your ability to recover, you have no choice but to pay. In most environments today, that's exactly what happens. Replication streams get poisoned, backup catalogs get corrupted, and by the time your team realizes what's occurred, the recovery path is already gone. HPE's answer to this problem is the HPE Cyber Resilience Vault, a validated reference architecture built around a single principle: keeping your last clean copy of your data out of the attacker's reach. The vault is physically isolated, hidden from threat actors behind an air-gapped network. Built with HPE Zerto software, HPE Aruba networking, HPE ProLiant compute, and HPE Electra storage for immutability. Once written, your data cannot be encrypted, deleted, or altered. Now, throughout normal operation, HPE Zerto continuously replicates your environment while running inline encryption detection, so anomalies are flagged before they reach the vault. That same encryption detection occurs between the Electras in the landing zone and the vault. When recovery is needed, the vault becomes your foundation. A clean checkpoint is identified, and a read-write copy is created in isolation, no connection to the outside world, without risk of reinfection. HPE Zerto orchestrates that restore. The landing zone comes back first, then production, fully restored by a clean snapshot. Will your recovery plan work during an actual attack? The HPE Cyber Resilience Vault, the last line of defense.